guys are safe at home. I'm Ishita Sirkar and you're watching the Mishti Girl. So, are you guys also trying your hands in new things? Because I am. I tried cooking honey chili potatoes and it turns out that I'm not such a bad cook. I was quite good at it. So just like that, if you guys are also wanting to try your hands in arts and crafts, then this video is for you. Well, what actually happened was, it was my little sister's birthday on the 17th April. She turned 10 and I couldn't buy her any gifts because of this lockdown obviously. And on the other hand, I love doing arts and crafts and I love it more when people love what I make. So I thought of making something on my own. So I made her a paper handmade wallet and guess what? She loved it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. This is the wallet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. But before that, give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you already haven't. Let's get started.
To make this DIY wallet, we are going to need 3 A4 size sheets. So I took the light green to make the outer cover of the wallet and yellow to make the sides, which are going to be visible from the outside. And here I took a blue ruled sheet for the inside. I used a ruled sheet as I don't use it very much and I didn't want it to go waste. First, I'll make the sides of the wallet, so I'm choosing the yellow sheet, and now I'll cut it in half vertically. I'll take the halves one by one and start making zigzag creases. The reason I chose these colored sheets is that I'm only left with these sheets in this lockdown, so why to let them go waste? Make equal sized zigzag creases just the way I'm doing. Now repeat the same on the other half. Now I'll take the blue sheet to make the inside of the wallet and cut it in half and cut each halves into 3 equal parts. Now take the crease papers and start sticking the rectangle cutouts to it, just the way I'm doing. Make sure you stick the sides of the rectangle cutout to the creased paper which is equal to it. Fevicol or glue stick? I usually prefer Fevicol, but I'm having a shortage of it, so I'll be using glue stick instead. for the outer layer. So take the sheet and cut it in half vertically. Now start marking. First 5 centimeter, then the size which is equal to the wallet we just made, which is here 10.5 centimeter. Then leave at least 2 centimeter and then leave the rest to cut it out later. Start bending it according to the markings. Time to paste. Our wallet is almost ready. Now take the other half of the green sheet and glue it. And then overlap it on your wallet to make the cover thick. Now cut a T shape on the flip to make a lock. Now glue the pieces that are left together and glue it on the lower part of the wallet. Make sure to only glue the corners of it and leave a part in the center. Don't forget to sprinkle some decoratives on it, and our wallet is just ready.
Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you the next time.